In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a remedy that fights infection, treats or fix stomach issues, stomach problems, and also is good for severe cough, dry cough, and other health issues. Okay, it's a very powerful remedy that fixes your body system just taking a drink. Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my page. This page is all about natural remedy and health tips. Okay, without wasting much of your time, please like this video, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow this page. It will do you no harm. Just a second click and you're gonna get lots of natural recipes that can help your daily life. So now let's get straight to the point. So what you need to do, you need to go and look for papaya leaves. Just one papaya leaf is enough. And the next thing you need to do, you need to go and get one big clove of ginger. And the last but not the leaf, you need to get a leaf of oregano. Yes, one oregano leaf. Smash these three ingredients together, extract the juice. Please don't add water. Extract their juice and take this drink. Okay, take this drink. It deals with severe cough, dry cough, stomach issues, fight infection, and so many other health issues. Okay, so please don't forget to like this page. Like I said, follow me everywhere. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Follow me up, okay, for natural remedies. Then if there is a particular video you want me to talk about, don't waste time. Make sure you write it in the comment section. I'll talk about that, okay?